and welcome to week 5 of academic onboarding. This week we will be working on problem solving methods project. From this project, we can already tell from the project overview that we will be doing two things this week. For this project, a skills inventory to break down the problems, and an email response giving solutions to our supervisor. In the competency, in order to master this project, we have to compare problem-solving methods from a variety of fields. So that from a variety of fields, we know that we will be doing some research here of reading other fields and how to problem solve. The scenario, again, it gives you a little bit of background. Now, heads up. Here in this scenario, we will be having the email that our supervisor is sending to us and that we have to reply to. So make sure to read it carefully and spend some time there. In the directions, again, we get directed to that we have to do the skills inventory. For that, we have to read 3 articles from this training research document, which it's linked, and it will have all of the readings and articles linked in there as well. After doing the readings, we will be using the information that we've gathered, and we will be putting it in our skills inventory document. We will come back to the email in a little bit. So our skills inventory document is always linked under what to submit. Again, we will be having to make a copy of this document in order to write in it. So here is where we will be putting our findings and from the readings that we will be doing and how to go from there. So 1 second. I won't jump ahead. So you will be doing these readings and filling this form out. For this one, remember that whenever we are whenever we are researching and reading articles, we do have to cite our sources. This is giving credit back to the authors who wrote this. So we will be needing at least one, and you can get the information from one resource, and that is completely fine. Or you can use how many as ever you want to use. Now, back to our project instructions here. Going back to the email. So the email is sharing with us problems that are happening in the company. And so we will have to be replying to it. So when we are doing the readings, keep those issues in mind so that we can come back and already have solutions for that. So in the email response here, we will be replying back to our supervisor, and we are going to be giving solutions to the problems that she listed here. We will compare the problems to previous problem experiences that we've had. Compare your personal opinions with information from from the research that we did with the articles. We will also be examining the parts of the problems that are relevant to you. That's what will be included in the email response. And that is basically all you will be doing for this week. Now, under supporting materials, we see a training research, which is again where we get the resources from. Again, citation help of how it should look like and the guidelines for it. And some reading and writing support. You've got this. Keep on going. Keep on going.